Welcome to this meditation on aligning political differences with kindness, openness, and generosity. In times of unrest, it's crucial to approach our differences with compassion and understanding. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes if you're comfortable, and let's begin our meditation.
Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs. Slowly exhale through your nose.
Inhale deeply once more and slowly.
Now, bring to mind someone with whom you have political differences. Picture them clearly. Instead of focusing on disagreements, imagine them as a whole person with hopes, fears, and dreams, just like you. As you breathe in, silently say, "May we find common ground."
As you breathe out, say to yourself, "May we approach each other with kindness." Continue to breathe, allowing the tension to dissolve and a sense of openness to take its place. Imagine a bridge forming between you and this person, a bridge of understanding and respect. Breathe in the peace you feel. Imagine only truths and honesty from one another. Does this person want to hurt anyone? Do you? We can assume not. Breathe out the negativity. In these times of social media, it's easy to get wrapped up in simple things we see online or quotes we hear. Pause to think about what the things you hear or read. Commit silently to yourself. I'll try to know the facts before passing on hurtful or hateful statements.
Visualize both of you engaging in a conversation where listening and empathy are at the forefront.
Think about the feeling you would have during this conversation. Release any tension you may have in your face and breathe.
See yourselves being open and generous with your thoughts and feelings, recognizing your shared humanity. Breathe in and out. Allow this sense of kindness to expand beyond just this person. Imagine it spreading to your community, your country, and the world. Picture people coming together in a shared commitment to kindness, openness, and generosity. Think internally, "I'll leave the unkind words behind."
Inhale, filling yourself with compassion. Exhale, sending that compassion out into the world. By cultivating these qualities within yourself, you contribute to a more peaceful and united world. As we end this meditation, take a final deep breath in and slowly exhale. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs. Slowly exhale through your nose. Inhale deeply once more and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this peace and openness with you. Remember, each small act of kindness can bridge even the deepest divides. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Go forward with an open heart and generous spirit.
Like this video? Try another one above, and as always, stay serene.